So the very first thing you should do is to choose the right pen. So here I am showing you by writing with 5 different pens and how my handwriting differs each time. So obviously using different pens will make a huge difference to your handwriting. Just make sure that you're choosing the right one and the one that fits you the best. I like the Micron pen the best. This specific one, it's very fine line and it just makes my handwriting look so neat and tidy, and this is the best pen for my handwriting, but you can choose the one that works for you. The next thing that you can do is choose a font or choose a handwriting that you want to copy, and you can make that your own handwriting. Now start out by choosing the font like I'm doing it right here, and then what you can do is write with that font. You don't need to print it out if you don't want to. You can just do it on your mobile or on your laptop screens and just try to copy that, or you can take out a print of it, which I'll leave one worksheet in the description box below, which you can just print and use. But if you want to use your own, then you can simply do it on this app called Fonto. So simply practice your handwriting that you want to choose. Start out by practicing one single letter that you want to change. So initially start out by practicing H for the high, and then eventually you can change it to however you like. I am very used to my handwriting being like this, therefore I'm writing the entire thing, but you can start out by doing a little and eventually you can practice every single day and make your handwriting to the font that you want or to the handwriting that you want to copy. You can simply do this. It's very effective and it will definitely make your handwriting very neat and tidy. So if you're in class 6 to 12, then I have good news for you. Up until now, by using my code SA1, you could get 10% off on any Unacademy subscription. But in Unacademy special price week, you'll get an extra 10% off. This offer starts from September 18, and with this subscription, you'll be able to enroll in unlimited batches. These have been prepared keeping in mind the latest CBSE pattern. These batches are as follows. Class 11th and 12th revised batch for term 1 exam for science. Start date 20th September. Revised exam batch for term 1 exam for commerce. Start date 20th September. Class 10 term 1 core batch math science SST English. Start date 20th September. Class 9 focus batch maths science SST. Start date 20th September. Classes 6, 7, 8 crossover batch science and maths. Start date 20th September. Some of the perks of these batches are unlimited access of Plus subscription, India's top educators, interactive live classes, test series and quizzes, and structured courses and PDFs. So if you're in class 6 to 12, you'll not get a better offer in this. So make sure that you go to the link in my description box below and use my code SA1 for an extra 10% off. And thank you Unacademy for sponsoring this video. Let's move ahead. Next thing that you need to do is to use these English specific notebooks. Like these notebooks were used for English literature languages when we were very little, and there is a reason as to why these notebooks are being used in schools when you are little. Also, don't forget to use the math grid notebooks. These two notebooks will make your alphabets and your numbers really well written and will help you improve your handwriting. So make sure that you are using these notebooks when you're trying to change your handwriting at first. So start out by using these ones. So in your math grid notebook, just start out by practicing the letters. I'm first writing A right here. So leave one column and one row. When you're done with like an entire row, then just skip one row and move ahead and write all of the letters. So when you're writing this, just make sure that all of your letter heights are the same and the formation of the letters are also similar. You'll eventually improve when you start doing it like this, and then you can start forming sentences. But start out by writing individual letters at first. Now the English notebook is for positioning the height of your letters. So you can simply do it as I'm showing here. Make sure that the H is touching the top of the line and everything should be just neat and tidy. It should be exactly like I have done here, and just write sentences on this as well. It should be very helpful. Some other tips for improving your handwriting are checking your posture. How you sit can also make a difference. on how your handwriting will be. The next thing is maintaining speed, because it is super important and you don't want to miss out when you're writing something. The next thing is to see how you hold your pen, because this can make a huge difference to your handwriting. And the next thing is to let yourself experiment and doodle. So that is all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Sam Study Station, in which I'll be posting new videos from next week. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and you can just text me there if you have any queries. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Thank you so much for the online study week. Bye.